Hello, this is a quick video on how to set up your Flight Sim Stuff trim wheel in X-Plane. From the main menu, you hit Settings. Make sure you are on joysticks and Flight Sim Stuff trim wheel is selected. Hit Calibrate Now. You want to rotate the trim wheel all the way from one end to the other. So keep turning it until you hit the very end. Rotate it back. Now you see how it went away? I'm not done yet. I still need to finish rotating it, so just keep doing it. For some reason, X-Plane just pops it away. I don't know why, but it still works. And once you hit the end, then just rotate it back to center. And then do the same thing for the rudder trim wheel. Rotate it all the way one way until it stops. And rotate it all the way back the other way. Again, it did it, but let me finish and then come back to center. Then hit next. Next again. Finish. And then you need to bind the controls. And if you rotate the elevator trim wheel, you'll see it's this axis here. Hit the down arrow and select elevator trim. And then rotate your rudder trim wheel, which is this one. Down arrow and rudder trim. And that should do it. You just hit done and you should be good to go. Thanks.